Hey there! Have you ever wondered why chia seeds are hailed as a superfood? Well, let me break it down for you. Chia seeds, these tiny black or white seeds, pack a nutritional punch that can offer some impressive health benefits. First off, chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost brain function. And that's just the beginning. They're also rich in fiber, which can aid digestion and keep you feeling full for longer, super handy if you're looking to manage your weight. But what happens if you eat chia seeds every day? Well, incorporating them into your daily diet can provide a consistent source of essential nutrients. Think about getting more calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants in each bite. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into smoothies, or even make a delicious chia pudding. Now let's talk about the potential hidden dangers of chia seeds. Yes, even superfoods can have their downsides. For one, because they swell up when mixed with liquid, eating them dry could cause choking or digestive blockages. Always make sure to soak them in water or add them to a moist dish. Another thing to watch out for is allergies. Although rare, some people might be allergic to chia seeds, so it's best to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. And while the fiber content is generally beneficial, too much of it can sometimes cause digestive issues like bloating or gas. So moderation is key. In conclusion, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can offer a range of health benefits when consumed correctly. They can support heart health, aid digestion, and provide a steady source of essential nutrients. Just be mindful of how you incorporate them into your diet to avoid any potential pitfalls. So, are chia seeds worth the hype? Absolutely. Just remember to eat them safely and in moderation. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.